This is Grammarly. It has two versions, free and premium. What's the difference, and is premium really worth it? This is the ultimate free versus premium difference. So let's get into it. First and foremost is checking for the advanced mistakes. You'll notice grammar mistakes, especially on pronouns that are hard to pick. Placing on instead of ate or off, and adding or missing some words in between. You'll also see one of the most common issues, which is missing commas. Other than that, it will also suggest adding other punctuation marks when needed. Grammarly Free will highlight the word but won't suggest the fix. The premium plan will suggest the fix to help you get going. Those mistakes are categorized in the correctness section and are highlighted in red. The second set of mistakes that Grammarly suggests is clarity of your writing. The AI tells if your writing is clear based on your article. First, it suggests removing words like this in the beginning and adding and removing the, which is another one of the most common mistakes in English writing. The program also suggests sentences to reduce the word count. This category generally helps in providing the same meanings with fewer words. For example, here it suggests interface customization, which is 2 words instead of 4. The next is engagement. This commonly tells us to change words to synonyms for better engagement. You'll see this when Grammarly thinks of a better word in the current context. It will also suggest when you use a word twice in the same or neighboring sentences. For example, it suggests changing next to following. The next premium feature is improving the writing delivery. This mostly suggests fixing whole sentences. It removes weak adverbs and words like just, also, on, that, etc. This category also reduces the sentence length without affecting its meaning. For example, it suggests shortening this 17-word sentence into a 15-word one. Moving on, we find expert help. If your passage is small, you can have a free expert review per month. This is a premium service costing additional money based on the total words. But for small articles, one review is free. Just click here and check if you have any reviews left. Next is the most loved plagiarism checker. Grammarly Plagiarism Checker scans the writing against over 16 billion pages within a fraction of a few seconds. It shows the original source and options to create citations without much effort. It's not perfect, but it's a great addition to ensure no one steals your content. The next is its AI. Grammarly AI is not hidden and has ChatGPT-like features. You can generate text, improve it, recommend stuff, tell stories, etc. There isn't a difference regarding the response it generates, but free users can ask 100 times a month, while premium users get up to 1000 responses. There are many other small things here and there that you will notice when using it, but the mentioned ones are the top. Now to the main question, should you get Grammarly Premium? It depends on what you do. If you like me, where most of your projects require writing scripts, emailing users, and other text-based stuff, I highly recommend Grammarly Premium. It's a nice tool to have in your inventory. If you are a person who doesn't rely on writing much, you are better off with Grammarly Free or the default spell checker. But if you do get Grammarly, I suggest not getting attached to it, as it will make your writing weak. Always learn from your mistakes and try to avoid them as much as you can. This is the problem with Grammarly, because as you get attached to it, it's hard to learn from your mistakes. You'll always rely on Grammarly to fix things for you. I have been using Grammarly Premium for 3-4 years and the same thing has happened to me. I make spelling and grammar mistakes thinking that Grammarly will fix them for me. But as I rely more on Grammarly, the weaker I get. So considering that, Grammarly Premium or even free may not be for everyone. With that said, this is it. I'll catch you later. Take care.